Hello, my name is Alex Wilson, and today we are going to be talking about how to make a work breakdown structure. What is a work breakdown structure, or WBS for short? The purpose of the WBS is to visualize multiple components of a project or trip. You can clearly lay out your goals and deliverables, quickly deciphering what is most crucial to your project. Why use a WBS? You want to quickly organize required work, categorize goals and deliverables, estimate how much effort is required for your goals, and identify your risk. When to use a WBS? Whenever you have a major project and you want to lay out any of your deliverables before tackling, using a WBS can help you strategize at the beginning of a project. These are definitely more beneficial when you're just kind of have that light bulb going off like, oh, what I want to do. And then this is whenever you would lay out everything in front of you right before you actually go to the point of action and putting things into play. Where to use a WBS? I feel like they can be used anywhere within a company, small business, or for college trips, as we are doing for India, or even a family trip to lay out everything in front of you. Why use a WBS? It identifies the steps you need to take in order to reach your goals. WBS can increase productivity, streamlines the work process, and identifies all tasks. How to make a WBS. Define the project, set the boundaries, identify goals and deliverables, define level 1 elements, break down level 1 elements, identify member responsibility, apply it to work breakdown structure. So here's our work breakdown structure for our trip to India. As you can see in the purple there, academic, cultural, social, project management, and others, those are our element 1. And then below that, for academic, we have Indian Institute of Science in Bangalore, the Google campus, and a couple other things. That is us breaking down the element 1, as well as for cultural, social, and whatnot. We have cost of things, hotels, lodging, what we'd like to do as far as the casino, mall shopping, restaurants. You can lay out everything in front of you clearly so you can see.